iceberg? What's a penguin? What's an iceberg? Hey guys, my name is Shurif and you're watching my video, and today I'm dyeing my hair again. And yeah, it's still a bit pink back here, but we don't care about that. So yeah, today we're gonna dye this kind of pastel purple. We'll see what happens. I kind of want to mix like PurpleRain with a bit of blue maybe, I don't know. We'll see. Let's go. I can't wait. Okay, so we're using a lot of different colors here. I have this base color thing that I have left from December when I was doing like periwinkle. So I think this is like periwinkle with pastel purple mixture. We're just gonna add some PurpleRain to it, some Ritual to it, and then maybe a bit more Poseidon to it. So we'll see. But I'll also add loads of cheap conditioner to it. So yeah, the most important thing is that you washed your hair with deep clarifying shampoo the day before, or like right before you dye your hair. But my hair always needs like forever to dry, so I wash it the day before. And yeah, then you don't want to put any products in your hair except for then the dye. Just mixing that blue color with the conditioner. So funny, this is now the color of like bleach. Like color of blue bleach almost. But yeah, just add a tiny drop of PurpleRain. Like this much PurpleRain. And then we're adding an even tinier drop of Ritual. And now I'm just mixing it all together. And we'll see what we get. It's already turning very purple. So yeah. I already love this color. Like, I don't know. It's like lavender-ish. Should we just go with that color? Like, I have no way to remix this, and I know this is not gonna last for my whole head, but let's just do it. I mean, what can go wrong, right? Right. Let's just brush my hair through. Sometimes I hate having long hair. Enough brushing, so now I'm just taking the color and smooshing it in my hair, and then I hope it turns out good looking because I have to go to work tomorrow. Yay. It's gonna be very pastel. But I kind of want it like very light, so that's fine. It's gonna be white.
White with a purple tint in it.
Yeah, it's gonna like wash out in like one wash, probably. Yeah.
So you got that white hair afterwards.
Give a bit more like purple in it, maybe. Maybe a tiny bit more purple. But I could leave this like a TikTok front piece. You know.
But I have to do it on both sides.
Yes.
For now I've already put.
Can do this. See.
And then we both like TikToks. TikTok hair.
Yes, TikTok hair.
But we both got TikTok hair.
I think I need to do a bit more. Okay, so we have our TikTok front pieces, and now we're gonna add more purple to the whole thing. Perfect! Moni has to work in 2 days. Okay, so now we got it like a little bit more dark purple for the rest of the hair. How do we do this so I don't color that piece? Like, can you put it away somehow? Like, I think we have like clips in there, so we can just kind of clip this to my head here and there. Maybe we can somehow do something. Try to somehow make this hold. Yeah, perfect. So we have our little thingy up here. See, Moni was smart. She paid a professional to do her hair, so she didn't have to do it. I'm dumb and I'm doing my hair myself. Also, Moni was smart enough to cut her hair, so she doesn't have to deal with that much hair. I am dumb and don't cut my hair. So what an iceberg.
What's a penguin?
What's an iceberg? I just did an oopsie. If you guys could see the sink, I swear my parents are gonna kill me. But it's fine. Everything is fine.
Because there's an iceberg.
Stuck in the penguin.
Iceberg is stuck in the penguin.
Yes! It's 2020, I would believe that.
Dear ArcticFox,
We need bigger bowls in Austria than in America.
because we've got more hair.
Yeah, because we don't have freaking chlorine in our shower water, so our hair is healthier and we have more of it and it needs more dye.
Please, thank you very
Please, thank you very much.
P.S. Sponsor you did.
P.S. sponsor me. Did I tell you the story on how ArcticFox commented on my video if they could use it?
And you didn't.
And I didn't see it for 5 months because it was in the spam section and I didn't check the spam section of my video comments for 5 months. Mon just swatched the hair that she mixed on the sink, on like the stains of the sink, if it's the same shade. Professionals! Yes, now we have very bad yellow light, and you can't see the purple at all because yellow and purple, you know. But at least you can see my face. Yay! Perfect! Now I'm gonna let this sit for a few hours and then I'll wash it out with cold water and then we'll see the results probably tomorrow because it's already dark. But yeah, bye! So yeah, this is what my hair turned out like. I really love the color, like this exact shade of purple is just so pretty. You can definitely also see that the front pieces are a bit lighter than the rest of the hair. And yeah, I am just so in love with this color, and also I now match my octopus balloon. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did so, please give it a big thumbs up and also leave a comment down below and suggest me the next hair color I should be doing. And yeah, I will see you next week with a new video.